I love all the little details and the textures that have gone in here. I'm so happy with how they turned out. Decorations that have gone into this set of dreadlocks is truly amazing. Like, I just feel so inspired just by looking at them. A really creative way of decorating. Even got some wooden beads down there. The great thing about this set of dreadlocks is they have wispy ends, so they blend in so nicely with my natural hair. And they also smell amazing. They have a beautiful aroma of perfume, so good. It's so soft and lovely. So I'm going to be installing these dreadlocks into my hair and see how they look. I'm turning into a magical woodland fairy. So taking one of the dreads with the little loop at the top, I'm just going to thread it through one of my dreads, pull it to the top, and then just pull it tight. Like so. There we go. This one. So I have a few more to install, but you can get the idea of how they're gonna look already. So nice. Oh wow. So now I really do feel like a woodland fairy princess. If you're interested in the dreadlocks I'm currently wearing, I'll put all the links in the video description box for you.